Hello Odoo users, welcome to Vraja Technologies YouTube channel. Today we will see EDIFACT Odoo Integration for customer side. Let me tell you what this module can do. This module can export the purchase order from Odoo database to your FTP or SFTP server, and it can import the bill from your FTP SFTP server and create a vendor bill in your Odoo database. So let's see this in action. For this, you have to configure two main things. First is your FTP or SFTP server. Upon creating the new FTP SFTP server, you will see this screen. You have to enter your URL, username, password on the left side, and upon selecting the store over here, you will see four new fields. First one is warehouse. So you have to select the warehouse over here. What this configuration can do: only those purchase order will be exported whose warehouse match the warehouse you have selected over here. The next is buyer ID. You have to give your ID over here to reflect in the file. Now the next one is export purchase order path. You have to give the path where you want to export the file in your FTP or SFTP server. And same goes for import bill path. Now as you can see on the screen, we have managed one schedule action. And to create the schedule action, you have to click on this button. When you click on this button, the new schedule action will be created. Now let me show you the FTP configured I have in my system. As you can see on the screen, on the left side, these are all the FTP details. And when you click on this button, check connection. If everything goes right, connection test succeeded, and you will see the green banner on the right side over here. And you can go to the schedule action from this smart button. So this is for import bills. Now another configuration is in your contacts. Let's say this Azure Interior is my supplier. Then I have to set one supplier ID over here inside my contacts. Now the configuration is done. Let's see how the export looks. So for that we have to create new purchase order, and as I have set the supplier as my Azure Interior, I will select Azure Interior over here and I will add some products. Let's add one product for three quantities, and let's add one other product for one quantity. And when you confirm this order, it will automatically export to the FTP or SFTP server, whichever you have configured. Now let's confirm the order, and as you can see, EDIFACT PO file uploaded successfully to FTP, and this is the file name. You can check out the exported file from Chatter. So this is EDIFACT format for purchase order. Now one more thing, you can also see which server is used to export this file on this form view. Now let me show you how the import process looks like. For that, you have to go to the schedule action. I have not activated it yet. Once you activate it, it will automatically import the files from your path, and it will create vendor bills according to the purchase order. Right now, I have to make import bill file for our newly generated purchase order. So I'll come back with generated file. Now I have created the bill file for our purchase order. Let me show you how that looks like. So this is my bill file for the purchase order number 14. Now when I run this, it will create vendor bill in our purchase order. Let's go ahead and check that. As you can see, the vendor bill is created. If we go inside that, we can see that related FTP vendor bill on the form view, and it will tell us related vendor bill reference. That means which file is used for creating this vendor bill and which server is used for this import process. One more important thing we have managed in this module is logs. You can see all the log details inside FTP SFTP Sync menu. You have to go to the log details tab and you can check out the log operations. We have exported the file, so it will tell us that file is uploaded successfully to FTP, and we can also check out the vendor bill logs over here. So that's all for EDIFACT customer side Odoo integration. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out to us on support@vraja technologies.com. Thank you.